Paste into visible cells only in Excel. This employee list includes employees from several departments. The 6 sales employees need to receive the new bonus amount shown below. We only want to update the bonus cells for the sales employees without changing any other department. Filter the list to sales. Then copy and paste the bonuses into the first visible bonus cell. At first, the paste may look correct, but after clearing the filter, you can see that Excel pasted the values into consecutive worksheet rows, including rows that were hidden by the filter. Some bonuses were added to the wrong employees, while some sales employees were not updated at all. So how can you paste the values into the visible cells only? Here are 2 safer ways. Method 1. Use a helper column, color, and sorting. First, add a blank helper column beside the range. Enter 1 and 2 in the first 2 data cells to begin a sequence. Select both cells, then double-click the fill handle to number the entire data range. These numbers will let you restore the original row order later. Now filter the table to display only the sales department you want to update. Select the displayed cells in the helper column and apply a fill color. Then clear the filter so that every row is visible again. Right-click any colored helper cell, point to sort, and choose Put Selected Cell Color on top. Excel moves all sales rows to the top while keeping every record together. Copy and paste the 6 new bonus amounts into the grouped bonus cells. Next, sort the helper column from smallest to largest to restore the original row order. Remove the helper column, then filter the range to sales to verify the result. Only the intended records have been updated, while the other rows remain unchanged. This Excel method works, but it requires numbering, coloring, clearing the filter, sorting twice, and careful range selection. It also temporarily rearranges the worksheet, so one incorrect sort can leave the data in the wrong order. For a quicker and more reliable method, use Kutools for Excel. Method 2. Use the Paste to Visible feature of Kutools for Excel. First, download and install Kutools for Excel, and then open the workbook you want to update. Select the source cells containing the data you want to copy. To paste values, formulas, and formatting, go to the Kutools tab, click Range, and click Paste to Visible. To paste values only, click the arrow beside Paste to Visible and choose Only Paste Values. In the prompt box, select the first visible destination cell in the filtered range. Click OK, and Kutools distributes the copied data across the visible cells only. The visible records are updated, while all filtered out or manually hidden cells remain untouched. There is no helper column, coloring, sorting, or risk of disturbing the original row order. The feature also supports undo, so you can press Ctrl+Z if you need to reverse the operation. Use the Excel workaround for an occasional task, or use Kutools for a faster and safer way to paste into visible cells only.